If you're not using Adobe Express, you need to use it. I want to show you some tricks.
Hi, I'm Jordan. I'm an Adobe Express ambassador, and this post is sponsored by Adobe.
If you're an artist like me and you work traditionally, like you're a painter or a sculptor or something of that nature, like I am, I do all of my stuff traditionally as well as digitally, and you're interested in doing more stuff with your art, like being able to show it off on social media or making it into products, can I show you my workflow? I'm a painter. I'm also a photographer. I do all kinds of art, but I use the Adobe Creative Cloud to make so much of my work stand out on social media. I make products, I make posters, I make all kinds of things with my art. And I'm telling you, if you're not using Adobe Express, you need to use it. I want to show you some tricks that I use when I use Adobe Express.
Adobe Express is a mobile app that you can have as a free account or you can have a premium account, and you can make so many things. I'm just scrolling through the interface right now because I can't even begin to list all of the options that you have for creating. I use it every single day because it's a one stop shop for creating mockups, social media posts, videos, cool text to put over things, time lapse videos I pull into and put them into mockups. Here's just some examples of things that I've made. Really cute mockups. You can turn your art into mockups. Literally, this took me 2 minutes, maybe 2 minutes, if that. Why I love using this as an artist is, first of all, it saves time. This is my raw art. This is just a watercolor painting that I made. I turned it into this poster that I actually sold to my town's farmers market, and I sell prints of it all the time on my website. And I literally made the entire thing with Adobe Express. I plan on making some step by step videos for how to use it, but this is just an introduction. One of the things I love about it is the ability to resize. In fact, I'm going to do that right now. I have an end screen for this video that I want to use that I use for a shorts video. I am going to instantly resize this because I did and am making this video using Adobe Express. So let me show you how I resize it. You simply click resize. You can look up whatever size you want. I'm looking for a YouTube thumbnail size. And then you click it, it switches it for you. You can just move your elements around however you like, and it's done. This makes cross posting content a breeze and gets it to your audiences so much faster. A lot of artists are so good at making work, but they don't know how to present it to audiences so that they can understand what it can be. We're all visual people, and not everyone is, especially not people that are buying our art. So make things that you can show your audience, and you will have attention, and you will have brand partnerships, and you will have sponsorship, and you will have sales. I made this card mock-up in just a few minutes. I'm going to make a tutorial on exactly how to do this, but one thing that you can do is you can use blending modes to make it look more realistic, like the shadows can cover it up. So if you go into effects and blending modes, that's a way to make things look great when you just pull them into the templates. You can slow down my exact process. I didn't cut any of this card, so you can just watch and see exactly what I do if you want to just follow along, but here's the finished card. Thanks for watching this video. Please comment which tutorials you would love to see from me and my channel. I'm happy to post them, and thank you again for following along.